In the sands of ancient Egypt, where the sun's golden rays kissed the monuments of the past, a mystery lay hidden for centuries. This enigma was the Egyptian hieroglyphic script, a complex system of symbols and signs that held the keys to the civilization's history, culture, and religion. For millennia, these intricate carvings adorned the walls of temples and tombs, their meaning lost to the passage of time. Scholars and explorers had attempted to decipher the code, but the true meaning remained elusive, shrouded in the sands of history. Enter Jean-François Champollion, a French scholar with an insatiable curiosity and a brilliant mind. Born in 1790, Champollion spent his life studying languages, focusing on the ancient languages of the Middle East. His dedication to the study of linguistics would pave the way for a groundbreaking discovery. In 1822, Champollion received a set of Rosetta Stone fragments from the British Museum. This stone, discovered in 1799, contained the same text in 3 scripts: Greek, Demotic, a simplified form of hieroglyphs, and hieroglyphs themselves. This trilingual inscription offered Champollion a crucial clue in unlocking the secrets of the hieroglyphic script. Champollion began a meticulous analysis of the Rosetta Stone, comparing the hieroglyphic and demotic texts. He noticed that certain hieroglyphic symbols bore a striking resemblance to their demotic counterparts. By cross-referencing these symbols, Champollion gradually deciphered the hieroglyphic script. On September 14, 1822, Champollion made a breakthrough. He successfully translated a name on the Rosetta Stone, revealing it to be the name of the pharaoh Ptolemy V. This discovery confirmed that the hieroglyphic script was indeed a form of Egyptian language, and not merely a collection of religious symbols. Champollion's work opened the door to the understanding of Egypt's ancient world. Monuments, texts, and artifacts that had been inscrutable for centuries suddenly came to life, revealing the vibrant culture, history, and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. The deciphering of the hieroglyphic script was a turning point in history. It not only provided a window into the past but also revolutionized the study of languages and ancient civilizations. Champollion's work paved the way for future scholars to delve deeper into the mysteries of the ancient world, unveiling countless stories that had been lost to time. In the sands of Egypt, the wind whispers the secrets of the past, carrying the echoes of Champollion's groundbreaking discovery. The hieroglyphic script, once a mystery, now stands as a testament to human curiosity and the power of knowledge.